Have you ever been stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire or a dead battery? A recent study by found that 40 million drivers experience a roadside emergency each year in the US alone. Being unprepared can turn a minor inconvenience into a major headache, leaving you waiting for help in potentially unsafe conditions. There are many car emergency kits to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best car emergency kits from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Thrive Roadside Emergency Car Kit. The Thrive Roadside Emergency Car Kit is a comprehensive 104-piece automotive safety solution designed to tackle unexpected roadside challenges. This essential kit includes a diverse array of tools such as jumper cables, an escape hammer, tire pressure gauge, flashlight, screwdrivers, bungee cords, and an ice scraper, complemented by a 66-piece first aid kit, housed in a durable 600 nylon canvas bag resistant to scratches and rough handling. This kit ensures reliability when you need it most. The included 8-foot jumper cables feature robust 8-gauge wire and strong locking clamps, providing dependable performance in emergency situations. Crafted with premium, rust-resistant materials, all tools in this kit are built to withstand various weather conditions, making it a year-round safety companion for your vehicle. Number 2. Everlit Survival Car Emergency Kit. The Everlit Survival Car Emergency Kit, aptly named the Road Guardian, is a comprehensive roadside assistance solution meticulously curated by experienced veterans and experts. This portable kit houses an array of essential tools for automotive emergencies, including repair cable ties, bungee cords, electrical tape, space blanket, rain poncho, reflective warning triangle, glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, safety gloves, and a towel rope. The standout feature is its top-notch digital auto tire inflator, a lightweight and compact air compressor capable of swiftly inflating standard vehicle tires. This smart device plugs into the 12 power outlet, features an auto shoot-off function, and allows users to preset desired tire pressure. Equipped with LED lighting for nighttime use and 3 additional nozzles for inflating other items, this versatile compressor enhances the kit's utility. Number 3. Hypite Car Emergency Roadside Kit. The Hypite Car Emergency Roadside Kit is a comprehensive 124-piece solution designed to maximize your safety during unexpected vehicle breakdowns or accidents. This all-inclusive kit features essential items such as a multi-function shovel, advanced 11.8-foot jumper cables, tire repair tools, traction rope, survival whistle, flashlight, and gloves, all neatly organized in a necessary toolbox. Safety is paramount with full-certified jumper cables that offer superior reliability compared to non-certified alternatives. The cables boast 4 large alligator clips with excellent grip, coated in non-conductive rubber for added protection. High-quality PVC reinforces the cable surface, ensuring resistance to freezing, cracking, and tangling. The kit's compact car repair toolbox is a marvel of organization, providing dedicated spaces for each item while remaining portable and lightweight. Constructed from sturdy plastic, this case protects your DIA tools from pressure and contamination, allowing for easy transport and accessibility. Number 4. Adakiet Car Emergency Kit. The Adakiet Car Emergency Kit stands out with its unique triangle design, offering a space-saving solution packed with comprehensive safety features. This kit goes beyond basic roadside assistance, incorporating first aid supplies to ensure both driver and vehicle safety. At its core are all certified jumper cables, featuring high-quality PVC-coated reinforcement that resist freezing, cracking, and tangling, providing superior reliability compared to non-certified alternatives. The kit's durable construction and extensive array of high-quality accessories prepare drivers for a wide range of potential accidents and emergencies, from essential tools to safety equipment. This car breakdown assistance bag contains everything necessary to maintain safety and legal compliance while on the road. Number 5. First Secure Car Emergency Roadside Kit. The First Secure Car Emergency Roadside Kit sets a new standard in automotive safety with its unparalleled durability and essential tool selection. At its core are copper-clad aluminum jumper cables engineered to resist melting under extreme heat, complemented by an 11.8 FT nylon tow strap boasting a remarkable 10,000 lb capacity for heavy-duty rescues. Unlike competitors' flimsy alternatives, This kit features a robust air compressor built with durable materials, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Every tool in this comprehensive kit serves a critical purpose, with unique additions like a window breaker and tire repair kit elevating its emergency preparedness capabilities. The thoughtful curation eliminates unnecessary clutter, providing drivers with a streamlined yet complete solution for roadside emergencies. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.